Ladies, if you're using castor oil for your lashes or brows, doesn't it just make sense that your man would use it for his beard too? Now, I've been using castor oil for years now. It works great as a beard conditioner, just keeps everything nice and moisturized. It keeps my beard from getting straggly. And I also love using it on my hair too. It just kind of keeps everything a little bit more manageable. Now, castor oil is very moisturizing due to its fatty acid profile. It does a great job with your hair, especially with smoothing split ends. It does a great job at taming beards. It's also perfect for your brows and lashes. So this castor oil is fragrance free. It is cold pressed and it just has a nice thick consistency to it. It does have a nice top on it that just pops right up. So when you are ready to use it, it comes out nice and easily. And you're just able to lather it up, put it wherever you want to. Now, I absolutely love the way that this feels when I put it on my skin. It's perfect when you jump out of the shower, especially if you have dry elbows or maybe some dry heels. You can work it into there. It's also great on your cuticles. You can work it into your hands. And I also love, like, at nighttime, I'll put it on my face, and when I wake up in the morning, my skin is just nice and soft. This does come with a lash and brow kit. You do have a mascara tube in there, so you can kind of fill that up, take it with you on the go. It's perfect for just applying it that way as well. Now, this castor oil is 100% organic. It's cold pressed, it's non-GMO, it's hexane-free. So this is just a perfect high-quality castor oil. So whether you're buying this for you, your man, or to share, this castor oil is one of those products that's gonna level up your routine. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.